Today I'll teach you how to play the dominoes multiplication game. To play this game, you'll just need a set of dominoes and 2 players. Each student gets a pile of dominoes, and then the students place all their dominoes face down. The students then count to 3 and flip one of their dominoes face up. They multiply the top number of the domino by the bottom number of their domino, and the player with the highest product wins that other player's dominoes for the round. So for example, if one player has a 5 and a 1, their product is 5. And if one player has a 5 and a 6, their product is 30. And the product 30 wins that player's domino. To win the game, the players keep playing rounds until one player has won the other player's entire domino pile.